get our tile put in the kitchen here. So I'm kind of just arranging the cabinets how I thought they were going to go. I know I'm leaving a lot of space here in the corner. I really don't care too much about that because it's not going to be a full-time living quarters or anything like that. But now I've got to shim all these up and level these how they got to go all the way across so I get these set good. But essentially that's how it's kind of going to go. There's going to be a fridge right here, a little small fridge. The stove goes here. In between here and here, it's got to be 30 inches though. So I got to make sure that I have 30 inches here. So for the stove. And then I'll do this all countertop. And then back here, I'll put a 2x4 level with the cabinets so that I can put my particle board on here. So we'll get these all set and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not notching this out here to go over the top of that railroad tie that's there so it sits flush against the wall. And this cabinet is what I'll base all my other cabinets on for height and level wise. So once I get this one up and level, then I'll level the line all the way along there, along the wall, and that's what I'll set everything up on. Okay, so I've got a stud right here, and I've got a stud right here, but I can still screw right to this wood, and then I can shim underneath that with my shims. So let me get a screw. See, all I did was I made sure that this bubble was in the middle and that bubble was close to the middle. I know it's not exactly perfect, but it's really super close. So that levels it back and side, front and back. So now the only thing I gotta check to see is if it's level. See, and it's level straight up and down too, so I'm okay with that. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to take a level and go all the way around there and see if we're close to matching up there. If not, what I'm going to do is I'll cut the bottom at an angle a little bit here to drop this down a little bit. So that way we can figure out if we're level, so we get the best height out of this. the bottom on that a little bit because it's sitting about a half-inch high here. So it actually curves up here. We didn't get the concrete perfectly level right here for some reason. Because I didn't have any guide boards here. I did in here. I started my guide boards down there. So this is high, so I'm gonna have to trim that up a little bit. So what I think I'll do is I'll start setting my cabinets over there. I kind of gotta leave this one here so I can set my corner cabinet. Alright, that looks like where it's got to sit, so I think I can screw this cabinet in level. And then these ones I've got to cut down, because you can see I've got a board up here, so I just got to cut a ½ inch. I'll measure this and cut that down at an angle on both sides and see what we got there. So that's what we'll be working on here. So I got this pretty level. these secured to the wall so that they won't go anywhere. I should put another one down at the bottom, but I think those will be okay down there. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It's pretty secure. Yeah, see, that's pretty secure. I was reefing on it pretty good. So that won't go anywhere. That's all secured to the wall now. What I'll do is I'll take these shims I have and I'll score them where they're at. I'll pull them back and then I'll hammer them back in there so they sit perfectly level. But we are level all the way across here now. So that was the main thing. You can see where we started with this line where we thought it was going to be. We had to drop it down 1.25 inches all the way around because it was 1.25 inches too high over here, and this is the most flat area we got. So cutting this one down worked perfect, which means I'll have to trim off that bottom board just a little bit, but that should be okay. Okay, I gotta sweep this up.